ayasembisa yebeya no ediama Southna Sompa TV Ghana midin Edilu Taken obete eye Jeffrey Asarenka Southna Michael Asaribodu Ricardo Vara Saso ena Collins Atapoku omunyina ho abeto mo ka production no eye Nas Adaruma no abobo dwumadi de broko MCR ye mranten mabo no mo so boa ame de dwumadi no aba be da obehu Shadrack so obo dwuma ho Sasuna Restford e ho oboa ene eye Porsche ne maba wa hodo aka nyina no omoboa school fees eso eye ni technical work e wa ha omo de dwumadi no eso e de abro na bia fine na entamada ona wo boy chidom ame de dwumadi na ye friend shootout aba be da wo no 21st clinic ye ka 21st clinica omo ye expert in sciatica ye ka sciatica yade be yade a eso na nkokom na ekọ to ase na etwetwon na wachi bram wachi kase nyina wo dompam nyina ya oja ye ka se kwabra na ho ewo so wanya baabi antena wuntimi enko no man nko sade wo pe ene ye fa sciatica okom de bibidro beto ase de ama enye no nkwa ne yade omo sa yade dodo na se omojam se ohunamani se eye day okọ eye 21st clinica ometo ase de ama omo de bibidro na ye adwuma na omo more than 15 branches e wo Ghana ha no mo se omo branch bia no komo doctors ne nurses a omo so nyame omo be krokro se dadaba omo be gigi so se oheneba no wo se ampa wo kwayare sabia na o de adwonka umpo na yade ne eyira ene ye 21st clinic omo se nkan cho se o de se go so na wo omo branch ho omo obi on kokko opiem wo oboase a eho court junction council quarters wa wo mo saso ena wo sa wuram eso wo emiamia wo dom se eye kuma se ehwan overseas junction on pe Alpha Radio ena obi osunwane ebi e won Kranza Techman ene emiamia bebre om se from 0200540 311311 0540 311 o from ombejo so na enkomo bia no omno wadi yade bia no okometu ase e diama ho ene ayaresa bia okwa yesan efro ye busa so bae no sei ena noma ekwo ye edima drono no ye se na usi ehunu ho 21st clinic enu achi drink na ba akopɛ drink out tikam na sa wonuma bonsa de oto nche no na obona no se to no minute so dey a o pebia kanhwe eno mizo fruit drink ena miza 5G na 5G ni de eno ba so mpafia ne emaba wo mo fia nyina omo nama omo kunko no omo dendade a omo fu eda so ye ka miza 5G a eye drinker me pacho ema hoden srade doso ni pedwe me nane no oyo ba no wo fu eye kese a emwo fu no twem wo fu no ye kama eno eye miza 5G saso ena gwara na wom jinsi wom green tea no eboma mema mo de frompa ebo adwuma eno achi no ye sade tu anim ese ye mizo fruit drink your flavors outdoor se mango flavor se pineapple flavor okoche obu ayaresabia okwa drink also de komano se de be ya no ebetuma to ne tentem eye drink efe mizo fruit drink o de komana ebeboa ne se ema no mema no mpanyimfo no nkwada no obia esu etim enum bi ema ne yeye ene ye mizo fruit drink frɛ 0246270221 0246270221 ofra Dr. Silas ene emaba wande na monten so baby obonwo mu bia no tobi program bia event bia no mizo fruit drink and miza 5G eno ene di atrentwi se tina paka mu a eyi na chia baako ntinya binom na noma enkoye emfa emao omadaroma no mbo ye chidom ama ye de shootout dwumadi aba down tentem so ada ye mfa nsema odo aboabo ano ne awie emfa ma mo dwumadi no so ye hyase edi free the Football Association of Zambia FAZ na uram o masoya omo de arehosem ebi na aba beto no dey a omo striker ye fe Norin Betani omo Fred Camp on say Uram ewa Zambia senior women's national team nyame pa Friday ewa Olympic Games qualifier the Ghana Black Queens ena ebebo na baba wo ya join on Sompa TV on Facebook or that's a friend Norin Betani me friend wo camp obaye na ho dodo no de no kopie mom ewa University Teaching Hospital ewo Zambia fofia antoata ene aguna bamo anopa ya yese malaria ene kan wadan bonkum so enti player no atwada nan mo onse do enu report free Zambia football association eba ye de emamo ene ye Copa Queens eno no na me no ka say Copa Queens of Zambia and the Black Queens of Ghana de pem so na Copa Queens Zambia national team no nya arrive nya touch it down eso ewo Ghana ha be prepare said be ya no ma be koyi de am ahead of gamer need the Black Queens bebo Friday ewo Accra Sports Stadium eno de ete no no na no na defend tabako a je fe no Tabo Miselo akasa game Ghana ebebono say and what they are to do for game no.
We're really looking forward for a positive result. Yeah. So we're hoping for the best. We're ready to fight and get a maximum point there. Yeah, a victory, of course. Yeah, I'm very much ready to play. So yeah, everything is possible. So even as we come back from Ghana, we'll definitely work hard and get maximum point because we'll have an home advantage.
Or say bande ready some be fight Ghana no be ye team bia maximum best bia no be said be benya 3 maximum points no Ghana dia akore basa second leg e be fo dia ma owie ye na Irene Lungu eso ekasa efa game no
so far so good. Everyone is ready. I think we've been pushing ourselves and the league has helped us a lot. I think everyone is in good shape now. The best game in Ghana is very important because if we carry the 3 points, then we're good to go. So our aim is to win our first game in Ghana.
Eno defro eba yede emamo so from the Copa Queens of Zambia ebedru ye nsema players no eka ena yede agufom amamo no na yengrom ne nhwe the Black Queens of Ghana anopai ne touching it down edima se mabawa no ese so far games ball qualification bonuses no e was sempanyimfo de a player bia no benya $7,500 na empanyimfo fa sika ne ma wo na so mo nsanka enye ade se contemplate as a game against the Copa Queens of Zambia on Friday be boycott mo nsiakan no akwensempi eno nam so ama PFAG and your Professional Footballers Association of Ghana edi statement about on Twitter and you can X no nyina no say ejina emaba na chi na say and we stand in solidarity with Ghana Women's National Team and will continue to advocate for the right and fair treatment of all footballers in Ghana. And your PFAG for this statement as to Ediaba Nina concerning a maban bonuses na PFAG demands payment of bonuses for Black Queens into a much say was up buying to bonuses no at the Emma Womo na day bonuses ni kikaboma $180,000 to America nanso besi nei emano yentua womuka eno edefro benu no ewura ye friend baby jet asamojan eso akọ X Twitter akọ ede nsem bi akọ akoto essence nsem yara baby jet akasade afa ho was say I believe the time has come for legends in sports to come together and use their influence, network and resources in attacking and attracting investors into our country and make a meaningful impact on our youth in their sport fraternity. Na owie also does football, boxing and other athletics. I strongly believe that engaging our youth and grooming them through these avenues can get them to be more focused, make sports more fun and attractive, and eventually bring us together once again, just as it used to be in past. I have started this journey and I humbly invite all my colleagues to join in this cause in reclaiming our football days. And no a baby jet as a mojan. Do I never to yan say what share a quantubiase na or friend football legends, you know? I said this is the time we're bringing you or no some influence or more network or more resources or more na or fight attracting investors and famra or my ganamwa na or more impact on fabi bin shama bruno set up your sports, you know, say your football box, say athletics, you know, a bit to my bomb na be come and watch us so invite on one colleagues, you know, na for someone joining or mon can nasa a queen or mon corner your footballer on famra or dono and ya come said him maybe term na ye see do your footballer and we are summer baby jet as someone John and ya tuja ya di mamu owie and a baba wa your friend nana abba anamwa eso akasa on Twitter say can X nana abba anamwa edi esune Black Queens in sensem na or say hello Mahmoud Baumia, the vice president. I have heard and seen you support female footballers on few occasions. Our Black Queens haven't been paid. I'm here to report the insensitivity, colluseness, disrespect. I could add more, but no space of the sports ministry and Ghana Football Association to you. Ninasa or report a sports ministry and Ghana Football Association at the Ama a Ghana Vice President, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and I will say hello, Mr. Baumia. I have heard and seen you support female footballers on a few occasions. Our Black Queens haven't been paid. I'm here to report the insensitivity, callousness, disrespect, callousness, disrespect into bracket. I could add more, but no space or of sport ministry and GFE no or report to omo eso edi ama womo no edi etia ye de ema mo no na ye guso adina ono ye nwram e wo CAF Champions League ye nim se nya me pa Friday nya team e friend me dema e bo against Ali e wo Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium na ukorema say and so far almost schedule no esitie ye twa se we be by 6 p.m. na Ali team no enya attach it down as wo Kumase Sports Kumase Airport na bibia so atimi aye fine ama bibia so aye kama said anopa ye de tu anim no esa per reporter ye tene se Ali be piema on be one training section and omo be ye e wo Kumase Sports Stadium na no krombe ya e Thursday Saturday in association football and ranite no and on be follow na say na omo schedules no and itinerary no etie urama mediama any alley press conference ebeba so nyame pa Thursday 22nd of February na mediama na be kai mo first press conference no ai dikan enu ya no pa 11 a.m. and mediama ebeye enu achi ebo 11:30 na ali efo so aye na training no say na training schedules no esitie ali beye training omo na be dikan ye 4 p.m. and ali beye na mediama eso abeye 5:15 na omo say Baba Yara Stadium no first 15 minutes ewo ali anasa mediama ombe open to the media ombe man central for kwanya amomatima pano ma ba behwe na bibia eso etima ye kama eno e de tie de emamo na uramu a enche aka 18 days na 13th African Games no eso so Accra 2023 na Roma so far the tennis Mundo officials no finally omo air draw the lanes no ye Titan tracks no omo air draw lanes na tum kama ama bia so at my fe ama bia ko kama eno de floor ba uram ewo Legon Stadium Titan tracks no na omu twa lanes no kama ama bia eso at my fine na ye Roma kwame opariado eso ekasa de ma crowd to folk eno start to folk fans no was a Samuel Kobia Nama, na or sat to be affected the 14th, Nank was San Ranina or Danasi, I was so more appreciated why you're Yamaha.
So it means that Nipano Nakumi the Adenechi, it is of real value to him. Intina or continue to pump money, even in hard times. When I say hard time here, we are COVID, all of those times in Inano, everything that the club was doing was still on. It wasn't any time I say COVID in players and as a COVID in club and staff and as a COVID in something didn't go on. All these things were going on. You understand? It is a do baby, not say you see any so and then not appreciate the worker. You see, we have to appreciate him and make sure that look, the kind of changes are on the back club. That is the best way to go. We have to support it. Say, when we have a new managing director, we have a new head coach. These are two men, they understand their profession very well.
Eno Kwame Opariado kasama for Edma Accra to folk and Edison Tuja. Obien was say supporters ni obibia yanka mom na yamfa adisredia ema NSC genti eno munkoda anaso munkopa NSC for acho.
Answer beko Christmas no December much the buy say from that 1st of December Eddie could do the 30 any idea transport be available. Renovation, number concert, and other activities at the stadium hall. So, am I a baby fire? Yeah, can you pay baby fire? You could be more Kumasi, elderly your home matches. So, the understanding we got is that, yeah, call Kumasi. By the second round, the Basha said, yeah, we'll be back here in Accra. Second round, the Baba Shas here. Then you have to also alert and Baba bombing matches. Yeah. No? Then we have been told once again that the Accra Sports Stadium is not available. All because you see the Bible All African Games. Nobody has anything against the All African Games. We are saying is that, and then you can't say about All African Games. So what happened to that? Nobody has anything about it. Friday, Sunday. So what we are appealing to the NSA to just understand.
Opariado esuncheche mo diaba efa Accra Sports Stadium hono eno na ye kra Karela United Ghana Premier League club ako na enam se nsese ekoso Aliu Mama Sports Stadium no ni nyina na se uko ekowura omo adapt omo new home baby ombesi omo kan home na eno na akopiem a meditu anim se na Sheriga Sports Complex wo nale rigu North East region and say omo ekoso omo kan wo ho na eno na management ma Karela United epe courtesy call the command the paramount chief wo Mamprugu Traditional Kingdom Nayiri omo ekochia Nairi no omko Nairi Palace no that means ampa ise ono mkoso makan a osom do omko kire mpanyifo kwosere mpaebo ni nhira ene a mpaebo ne lack said be anoma ebekoyi ede ama womo eno ye de free Karela United faso eba ye de emamo eso eno no Michael Asaribodu anya tenase ewo ha ye be hye dwumadi na ase na obi message odi aba no o say please my Sompa TV is not working for the past 5 months from Ningo ene misro ma omombe hwe no emehwe ma why darling boy Gaza Rooney phobia the also Ediabano no say Emmanuel I like your vim, Sompa guys. Watching live from Elibu. Say Emmanuel. Okay, yeah, that's it. A lot of messages, Biaba. And now Joe. Black Stars crack. Oh, Dabi, me patcho Dabi. And now Dabi. Sakwa Benjamin was say more fire watching the show live at Kenya C Truba or NOD free. And I think say Clementino the Mayweather sound no mache eso Eddie Amao. And now Joe BM was in Napoli. We beg will do something for us. On Beche and Kweku Pilato more update on Barcelona. Okay, we know Drew a Riadiana only a Fisemunkwa and Yadiba Asari what do Boko there?
Later Nyamiadum maybe I come.
Nyamiadum. Na so far Nsembe Brenediegu or Zambia. Sad news a room or more a striker or
Betani.
Oh.
In Danny Roses. I think so almost all reported to camp na oba camp na yare kakra wom. Na enena omoshe no wo as in a first aid treatment. Then omo recommend say enfan call a Zambia omo hospital kese ba
university teaching hospital
exactly nti omo den call ya na say omo kurekrema wantimi they say owura owo kurade a enkwantimi nche nti eno ne dia kwakosi unfortunately Noreen Betani enkan ho. Now the Zambians can draw something from this and use as inspiration in 2 games on money Ghana bebo. Nti make us omo munua ana ende waka baby nti ebe show mo den amo memia o mani so mbenya results SFATA na omo they are qualified they are called Paris 2024 and actually Olympic Games Zambia were part in the last edition.
Okay,
so going back to the competition any problem momo and the technical setup at the omo qualifier basically the same. Very few additions no my account and many of people Zambia didn't come away and ochemu the rationale behind omo coaching appointment. Coach Odomo no Bruce Mwape non the coach your more national team ankasa Abraham qualified by AFCON in 2015 and Odomo di Juma so he's done the part a man side and our transition about man side from 2018 de bano ono no was so mumua wa handle Zambia omo Emma team no at the senior level at the under 20 level and even at the Olympic team no so level send the national team now able but omafa other local coaches omo Zambia Women's Premier League nim nti be a goalkeeper trainer say Green Buffaloes na goalkeeper trainer na ejitum so ya de pani afanaba.
Okay,
so their technical team is consisted of local technical brains omo beka omo tiabo no ma be edwuma ne diaboa
una waka asem because utie Tabo Meselo omo defender na Irene Lungu utie omo na ase they are desperate and omo bibi gina say ase Ghana ha no omo ba no omo so mo wi edwuma no wa ha
and from nkoma ye no Marcelo in the first kura omo afeni ni
debut
in the first call up awenya and almost squad ne a perfect admixture I say they are frafra omo coach ne de omo sha say from 2018 obey me ensa wo ana omo a ye de omo ball from 2021 Olympic Games and the ba no so bi wo omo called the last World Cup in 2023 so wo or there for instance goalkeeper Catherine Musonda oba World Cup ni bi omo ma drop here from the World Cup squad here Ine Sakala and Letitia Lungu enti wa drop it 2 goalkeepers in order to new aba but Catherine Musonda has remained defenders or the 4 from the World Cup squad no deba offer 8 defenders enti 4 new defenders and 4 old defenders. Judith Soko, Lushomo Imwimba, Martha Tembo and Esther Banda. Midfielders Irene Lungu, Evel Chitundu, Ivarin Katongo and Weno Nipana in Komosi Pisini Pise. Ye na or my attackers if they are having a bad timer. The other passes ne befe ma akwa ese bi ajabi ana Iniesta bi wom no. Ivarin Katongo no. Anna Helen Chanda Anna Comfort Selemani. Also a one brilliant midfielder wo mu team nim. Then attack no. Ghana for there me sure say omo kwa akobo no mu nim. Rachel Kudananji. Kudananji, now as it stands, one of the most expensive players ever man in football move global. Yeah. Wow. From Madrid team, and I didn't call BFC or USA, close to 1 million euros.
Wow.
Yeah, so Washa Ghana hat trick. Until I'm seeing him no, because we've played against them. Obo hat trick in that game, Omo winning against us. So Rachel no, yenim no. Then Barbara Banda needs little introduction. On a captain for them as well. So they have a very good team now. Or cheche mutre or more features or musune saying. Also mo ye team one. Coach ni mo you see because only omo aye adwuma che. And omo timi adopt it to game situations. But it you say away game say no. Ombeba with a defensive mindset. Or see team no ma ho den kese pan ye omo speed.
Okay.
Say omo no ba na omo space to run into a speed no so omo nya toa a bad day so be catch up with them. It's mostly their biggest weapon counter attacking. Yes, counter attack. And speed counter attacking game. And I say omo no obo na ebi a also abo mo home. Na obo compact miem into why you so pampia. Then they will use omo midfielders, Comfort Selemani, Everin Katongo, to swing passes and then penetrate defense. So I idea coach need him how to use them.
And you was assemble po.
The entire was assemble upon here. Our preparations has moved on smoothly. Your preparations has been dogged by Sikasem. As it stands, anything di Sika Hong Kong. But it has become necessary because more remediation monse was so moshe. Sibibia because to atinomonye one the Ghana Football Association omoyi a management committee omoye in charge of Black Queens affairs. If you are managing affairs on behalf of the team the welfare so can be.
Yes.
And sadie we na yade dawo yenim right from December na ye ball a year and man qualifiers ni wie no ni nim say ye the manica 3 payments. We were qualifying rounds. First, not the Omoya and Sen Komutia for match bia. No Omoya and Sen the round because ebi our match we need now one qualify and to motivate the players and also to help team no progress obet me win match but ensure that you qualify at all costs into home and away. Home and away initially nanka figure near $4,000. Okay. And I yate so the about $2,500 per round. A man on my member.
Okay.
These players have worked hard or must show absolute patriotism. Body amagana. Bono mobo winning nor I hope to buy and we boy 11 matches back open we lose we winning 10. And yes, situations and our conditions near pepe were ideal. They have faced hardship, challenges, but oman kasa, oman complaining, and oman bo, and you qualify. You qualify in Penny4 Aje Samba. Me sure say fans are in Penny4 Munda Efi, any sports ministry na no ageno. Ebi creating players in the day.
Oh yeah.
By Aje fans nevi, what next? And was some process my and Saka Sika.
Oh.
And also abe Trema Menchi. $7,500 for every player. Or more I from and your money now cramp on the boy into a bit more I am from or more fee. And then your players need na nebenya 7,500 because some did not play through all the 3 qualifying stages. Into be crabenya 2,500, ebenya 5,000. But what chairman aso so into any calculate here, you be calculate per ebia 23 players. What a multiplier Luther. And drew $200,000. Coaches need the encounter. $200,000 name Juno. Besinde. Nothing has been said or communicated. One say, Obibet Miadoka. Bakasa.
Yes.
Emma Abutoyem. Exactly. Inti. Obet Minuwa Nyakasa ne Kwambi Obefaswa show. Or Mausa Reshe Muna. Oswa Kumato yem ama we juma. Besi a year and renumre. Bear 7-8 p.m. Not a single official from the ministry or the FA, not on a year girls ye din komo show musa munsa beka musika. And these are girls ebi to kwanya ba ebi so bo wa hanom say oma krefie say your national team no mabusua ate o radio so ni TV so say ye din komo say Blasters yakotue sika ma omo 8.5 million and 24 budget ye $5 million near this show munsem say mon fan call aye AFCON minister ba aba be catch us aye 3 million ye spend the anti budget no surplus war sika ni bi wo over 2 million anti sika na ebi wo ho no mo yanka mon process it. And as a matter of urgency, mom making sure say my arrangement no ma confirmation aba. Ama even the players no crown say bank account no mo de be ma mo na transfer to ma. O ma confirm say the money notification and na say BB free bank or ama o manya BB say abotoye mo say mo tue sika ne dia mo besin da kwesi enkwesi koda. Te say media no ekeka ne ho ekasa te say ye complaining ansana Maba beye home meeting at the address. There is no need for firefighting if you don't cause a fire situation. Bekebio. And when you see a befre or doomja for mama be doomja, wabra yen soja. Into when a wound he has anki a song jampo.
A new $200,000.
They be the Omodebama players in Luther message package na and drew $200,000. By now, Nora hope to buy no. When the games or beboa ending pa me am in Kancho. Matches are not a hope to bebo as the Black Queens coach. This is the toughest game yet she will play.
Social players, during their arrival, the kind of mood or the buy, but it's just a attending acquire BB strong.
And when about affected preparation, they never say you say when two elephants collide, it is the grass that suffers. Everybody say a coach in the Bible because only players in the bedroom.
Oh yes.
Now players no matter dreamy ho. They have this distractions and I said diverted attention. Now musica. They are also to prepare and focus on the game. Luther difficult difficult nipa ontimi fa weni baako enhwe to am yenu.
Dabi.
Enti wasanka Black Queens no ebebo prepare omo training na ko madwe ni nyina no e wo omo preparation so but now and now say dwumadi a ebi mi also omo di omo dwuma omo ndinti we are now talking about Black Queens omo dwen omo sika omo nsabeka and also preparing for a game. Yeah ni say ya na entwe na Shadrack Mwaye na yenti sports minister covet. You see I don't like to discuss personalities but it is necessary. Yenti minister no masem
say we will give equitable attention or equitable distribution of resources. Because if you look at the country, yes, I will be a minister for all sports discipline in the country and we promote and ensure that their welfare, their facilities, how they are training, we will ensure that is done. Things like that is what we will do to ensure that every sporting discipline is given the needed attention.
You see, with all due respect, football in the crown, attention, no, any football ni na so it is on Black Stars, Tina minister, Black Stars a tournament or Kobe. Rarely will you see a sports minister accompany any of our junior national teams or even the Black Queens and as a man national teams, on any trip. You better with your mochi. Indeed, the America question is so okay, say obema will be equitable attention and equitable resources will be allocated to all sporting disciplines. Manesha here with football in the crampo. Obika equitable na bonika equitable. I say yes in certain in nyepe. But you will be ne sujumedi inti oshe how you treat it. Dear medebeya ono. Ebe dance from dear medebeya before fro. Inti treatment medebe ma it will not be equal. But Ebeya was so dear based on relationship and ankitahudi ameno. And to say the Meya Mami Bano. Ebeya different from the Meya Ma Bontin Suni, but Aya Mwa Anamedebua Aya Fenumi Nuina Anamebo.
Oh yeah.
So that is equitable. Send Ebeya, there will be no bias. There will be fairness. Send Ebeya Besu Benyan so and any day. Black Queens and Diana Yakan Yankase for Blasters Sikanefa more. We are not talking about equal payment or equal treatment. We are talking about the fact that there is a factor or mono. Momon sanka men show money ya. memo mu high memo mu wiwi ansa na kakra ne kra bebo omo ho no omo nsa ka wo yesa nchira bi enim eno an ye didi mu a and the football national teams no and this are bad luck ne dia brey
because amanfo tini so good national teams
because ye we bia treatment ye de mo no ensem fatenti omo ka national team no asema nya akoma pa ana omo de ka
na we make dia wo kan kra no de na motivate omo say ye pese ye ko Paris ye nhye Zambia ye di kan say kra ye ma yisika na ye hye omo a de ne benya.
The players have an intrinsic motivation which is ye pese ye course tournament no na be ma exposure say anya hwe kra ne nansen ya no omehu Doris Bodua amwenya a foreign contract. A lot of these girls have benefited from such opportunities. Ni na no the exposure that international platform omunya whether at club level or national team level. Inti no be motivate girls no but Luther you will be or why you will will to do it but won't say wa bem krebu. Inti ade no opem so obey but wunning Kenya bia ebe pian se kosoa na yesade no and that is what I fear say bedi girls ninya ana CC kra na say any CC ni etues ka no ma I say ye dia memene fe na etues ka no na there's pressure for sanso beto girls and so say afi ya mamus ka no mo na mo qualify so this situation na ya create no it shouldn't have happened and no ne me yawo and no ne dia me Zambia for no omo players now will be a no ball no sounds true me can no catch penny for say ball no on the on bobio or go true me ka we true me kana fe wasanso aba oba bebo ball no a striker oboni din kra menim mupopo Shadrack obet me in the picture to who na as a bema pa
aye
onye your friend no we kabange mupopo no obobo true me ka right from school level and no ball no nimbo or see they be born no crowd your money montomo but to say be a Michael Jordan say member basketball ni be o me go into other sports when I say oh member ball ni be o me go true mika enti me go true mika no we true mika na half also aba back or sound so be bobo so these are this is a team or more talent no and no masanso nya a smooth preparation. I will not deny that we lack talent. We have talent. Sorry, I will not deny that we have talent. We have the talent. But your preparation and acquire fast society talent, it might cost us a ticket to the Olympic Games, which will be a first for Ghana if we qualify since 2004 for either a male side or a female side. Yanya there.
Me da say Michael Asaribodu and our tenant cano. Mammy call Papa Puku Papa. Boko there. Awie nsem bebre asem wajan e de ne Twitter ba nanaba anamwade ne diaba PFAG for so do mo diaba mo e demand Black Queens o musika eno chi ye wo Zambia rehosem se o mo player ba ko a we strike anka wo ka ho no ma ba Norin Betani ono so anopa ya wadane bonkum so a whole lot of issues ene ye dia gu ba ma so
de kan nyame na de ma ono ana brighter wo
ana zongo ni beka na se kramoni beka se ala ya aka o
tino sanete
kramo se won ti ase
tino kan san ani but de omunya ye no omunya ye ni wi ba point of departure one has esim hu to gba mo na ba so
ai
ro ya de
kwame pareado
some bona ba so ka
lockdown mu nyina
nti se no moto gbe abaso no na kire se demonstration nti ne moto gbe abaso nyesa ono nti na sa de we ababonten anyway
because metiase ye ne babia free bar na operado ya kire se some section of Heart of Folk fans ne ungrateful.
No, they've not even communicated properly then. So papa na esa nyoma we nyina osanka supporters ne tiase na ye kan fa football ho bia no because of nipa no mbobon. Every other activity of football is dependent on the football able park so when your results of park so and aka bia be bia na na ye kwa ye hu nsem bebre ekoso abonten na ye pese e chirem
ensem bi tese
save Ghana football no communist ni ayi ni yakoba bi ye free kroma
dabi
two baby
dabi
good read that. Okay.
Pacho funny.
Minimu ntinunya afi na abegu mani ma se.
Okay.
Minimu dia anke.
Me shas in fish rona. Boss, good morning. Hope it's well with you. I have sent a mail but haven't heard from you on that. Respectfully, I expect your response for effective planning. Standing by. Now, good morning. I pray you are doing well. I revert today. I needed to discuss the change request with my leadership before responding. I will definitely come back to you today. Kuse, true. Atapoku ampa. Atapoku ampa. Phone crying. Sorry, I'm. Was it truly grateful for your response?
That's it. Save Ghana football.
Kamoya bo atapoku no nya phone papa.
Save Ghana football movement.
Convenience no.
Any GFA. We don't have a meeting ground and a meeting time. I don't know what kind of trouble. Until summer, I ni nyanom na mabontin say omo boycott press conference no. And almost omo ko share FA na yate. Ye hu the Sheikh Tofik so come on Metro TV. I'll say Yakoba yen kasa bi ni hu. We tested the waters for reasons. Sabi enyemwa. We tested the waters for reasons. I didn't know it was for a reason.
A reason there.
Good. You'll find out soon. Mine in just 2 days.
Okay.
But me message we Castro nipa na kasa en unim no hu ni di on strong.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, the new moon common ground. Say you shower high ne. Now say ni ekoka.
Money dialogue
we don't have a common ground and a common venue. Almost the Emerald office for a meeting. Yes, Emma. If see show more Tang Palace Hotel. Almost the Emerald Wednesday. Yes, in Wednesday we have activities to do. Remember Thursday. The senior my response. I was saying.
It's about 3-4.
Two this GF extra brains and they say be shy or China send AD can propose here now. Now papa na sorry no simple as me ko GF meeting. That is how me life. But just what I say. Look, we know them. I test your match. Look at the commentary around it. Omu di kind of way ba bontiano pa. No area. Omu nemu ye ni mo. Now me send you me sign wa hu. Me obi abesha mafunu mama imagine GF da. How many times someone tempted me with ska?
Oh yeah. I know there baby cry bit me adi one say.
Look, some pa yewa. But we are telling Ghanaians say I didn't say no.
I don't know.
Because look,
and you are ready to save.
Nothing to know Bible. That's the Michael I can. Listen for a moment. Ghana must say 4,000. That is about 1,005. And I
2,005. 2,500.
But still, can you enjoy?
Into 3 qualification bonuses 7,000.
With the mom coffee bibia. You enjoy. Get back, so I say the Black Queens are doing well. One pound money on some running.
Yeah.
And Opanoma was a minister, so I show congratulatory message.
Yeah.
As a major crime, I saw dinner not to as a woman. Because no man do not say boy no Yama Ghana football nonka. Omo 10,000 now Congo, Muba Omo 30,000. The birthday party as your son Mudidi ye and 7 days a baby. K a baby o. Until so when you bit baby no say football is in safe hands. Ghana football is okay. Any.
But I reho.
Yaw pa.
Good. Okay.
30 pins. I reho some day. Reho aneko. Okoye adwuma. We mom be adwuma.
My you mercy so.
Oyonko okono. Me see many gift ya adwin. Yentimi treat Black Stars. Any Black Queens the same. We can't do that. The Black Stars is our flagship team. But obi adadam say GF no. Omo dream bibia ho aside Black Stars and Nesrin. Oh, come on, they don't care about you. On your Black Stars. Ombekwa ma GFA office on secretaries no. Secretary Krakobi. Me call US me secretary to Prosper Harrisonado GFA secretary. General secretary no. Or the secretary on you. No US or Rebel ni bi. Tell you the cleaners ni abeba. Drew Black Queens, canoe. No. So call your press conference, be baby, I know about it because I say I call him girls be my young cranny, they are fine, but the reality is would always down. So we try to offer Ghana football. No, said the fundamentals will expose you. Most a black princess there or me boy.
Yes.
Among Kafra. Black maidens, so ya banium, ya kuriem 80. Ama ya chien. What I say? Nti black queens here the omoka, black princess here the omoka. But ye riem so black maidens amaya. Nti ni life ne de masa ye basa. Mira. Bibi koswa am say mintiasi yi nti no. Jeff Fono so mo nchem bi o mo fama ye na ehun kwan be fa so. Kerala United. The other season yasi no mo nyina ase. And omo movie called Tamale.
Okay.
Omo movie called Tamale no. Omo ye club license no. Omo second choice stadium akremo di chairman no. Na ye wale park na wo no.
Okay.
No problem. RTU. No more second choice hin. RTU no more second choice nso ye wale. Mira. And they a ball league ne kakra na RTU nso so akakare la ho ene omo so omo ko na lerugu. So what you say? RTU nso ko na lerugu akobo omo ball. Ti say no so ko na be o ye team abebo RTU. Ene Karela e wo soro ha. You ready say utu a
obebreji
obekwa ko datamale. Addiction no papa match day no.
Wasan ato aso. Because
me into straight in free baby not even teams now no but for quite like this look at me no be 1 hour na bibi and a little under 1 hour so sunyai to techman but we a bus na the car na ye kwa so no untimi mfa we nkoye bi ntine je se onya abotre na emum udu techman why ne boko akọ Tamale na wada ti so ofri so gakope and I say we Heart of Lions and na o kwa akọbọ wo wale na lerugu a okwan wa nti efe no ombe pisika bi dia kushin clubs yi sene be ya omokom be henhan omo ana asemi a me kan ne boko sa no me nka ma na nyesre Carla ne RTU to suffer.
Okay, yeah. Say hona mo busy. Mo journey na
on the normal day RTU training we are omo niska wo. Omo ne Carla ne omo niska. Nti na omo titamale ho. Omo boy training we are normal bo Tamale Sports Stadium, Ali Mama Sports Stadium. But then
also you say transportation cost
exactly.
Abeka ho.
Eno nan chain no.
Oka also o peba bia beda.
Exactly. RTU case no. Se bibiani Gold Stars etu so omo ba Kumasi. Se bibiani Gold Stars etu se omo ko sunwan ana abrekum ana nsuatre from bibiani a ombeduru eja se RTU etu every Tamale akona leru.
Hey. Sir, ekwano wasa.
This is a Gold Stars etu. So omo ko doma. Doma is even shorter for them. So Gold Stars
from bibiani
ekobo aduana odoma.
So mo mefa Kumasi.
There be ombefa goso.
Yeah.
No ma fa Gambia ne kasape nkwan no. No ma wuram. No ma be PH o chairman so. O fa ma so be PH chairman so no ma du. Enti no yanwi obi a ho. Look. One reckless decision any inept at the NSC level. Nye di edrun. Nti no obi anya butre unua emmobia wadam for both teams ni bi.
Yeah.
Omo drivers no ekwan no so na nsen na amro because omo your story no obi ehu bi.
O da be hokra de ma fast be mienu especially wo travel night a oduru bia je se police kronya police escort.
Tino yasem no ne abo no chimpu dia ma. Sebi ye modam. Enye se ya dwenye. Nemum ni tintin
na ehokra no sa eye na Sheriga Sports Complex standard there.
O yem fa ne say the standard. Koye oni Wembley for no. So masa nti yen baby e fi no. Ye kan asem a ya omunya abotre. Yeti na ye. Yeti no ena yo. Mutakin. Yen baby and nam no a wetro. Nti yasem kan say nya butra.
I didn't say be.
Can the any say yeka. But this is the stark reality. Na nyebia o misrebisa. Club license emrano. Munchire mu. So we use o first option or second option also because neither ITU nor Kerala is using their second option for the licensing. Because
the minimum size is school crano call ACHS or first choice, second choice. If says when your first choice second choice no. And to say BBS Sikra or first choice was almost second choice no.
And nunti NIS say a man in Sida again. A man in Sida say a bear fixtures no. You see, start times for Sibo won't be trying to Thursday. I also have to into ball Thursday. Now what about ball at ITU and I Kaela Sunday? Because some has a ball. I also got up editia Ediana. Naso omutu bankai. Thursday na majo. Ebeda omutu be 6. Wa be dankai. Friday just a togbe afede. Or fly or moko tamale. And after Saturday or fly or to tamale. Because on the aeroplane or some football club. Has tried say on bed driving from Accra to Tamale.
But the place no my brain.
Because about that time.
Your footballers so my deal.
Oh,
my dear.
One bay or more we do dog rocker. Unanum central for business so many anti BHS Canada.
Queen's Day no.
Aye. Ya Damasi.
Your mom pie then.
And Empire Bassem.
Because we advocate
and Empire Bassem.
We advocate so much.
Advocacy be anywhere change. Sikani ni emunyu
Gautaga nama.
Advocacy be anywhere change. Advocacy be anywhere change. Mr. Rowe. First can mom no be uncle baby. Kasatenti and top
uncle. Me da say Ricardo. Ram kakana family yet today.
Nyamete.
Ano so friend.
Na say yenti nyamete football ebo nyamete asem na ye. Ya ja bibia to chance. E na ye bibia na musa. Bibia ni ho a ekoyi sa o ye nkrum ho a. On say Ali for no back room so on pay additional base be carry o technical teams no. Afcon de na esi wo ho no.
Sir.
Players ni gubas ni. Now that this coastal bus is technical members ni wo enum. That was the standard at the AFCON. And we be na for na ye ko background ba be no.
Say omo basa and the players
in the team,
omo technical team na team.
Omo
bia and management members ewo omo another vanna and also no in central form no omo ba na wo.
Omo practice the norm.
Asa akwa kase omo bus ni kwan say omo luggages no
our bus
no so should get another
bus. These are people doing football. They didn't know football no sir. Omo wo sika no omo de be yi sa abrabo na didi akira manfo ba wo bi uni bi tu be de no boss abrabo no yen place ndo mo tinyamete ekwan nye bases nye mo na musa dise unia bi bobo no okoba bedu fie wobusuani bi ubra bi koba bedru fie a no da nyame ase ama obra no because nyoma wa fam wa ko wo ne nkwankwanta no waba
enye Legon cities na first round ko sama boy omo ba ayi
ko ji omo no ma no buza won se bezi na ide na akwaku za team na ngaza kra no on place no mo struggle sika nko ne ade ne yaza ko yi omo no ma the players need tinyamete and teams no omo bo omo team ho ka na omo ayi omo nto memmi omo ni abotim ho ka na ka omo burugu on ye catch roll yambe show
because see up explanation some normal bia papa mama hu no na say Red Tamale United together with Karela Krano omu home one kasa home so kra no sa boka
na omu na nkasa tetamale no mo ho kire wo mo na ho sa distance no masana ba ka ho no
eno papa na mo kase for no omu mra machire mu emaye because club license for because clubs na echusu ye say hono mpesa na say the organizers na echusu odi ama wo
Ghana Premier League na ye bono fa ho bobo manimfo na fa ho jija mpanimfo ube seli through sa no ma we to wo mo ye teams ni go bia nko mu nya sa ade no omunya sa favor no nti saa ne titi ene na mu ayeko ba samoja o mache samoja ansem na waka no mache it's about time I saw no magidigidi so mbe so mu ye nyoma
Shadrack fa samoja tweet no to so ne
na mo say save Ghana football dem na bia no mu bia nim because mache
samoja de ne o say I believe the time has come for legends in sports to come together and use their influence, network, and resources in attracting investors into our country and make a meaningful impact on our youth in their sports fraternity. That's football, boxing, and other athletics.
Samoja ba no whether so be team pe untimi nya side o person ye no. And we the last time I jump in this ankomo no.
Because it's what be
team wo krom a
odi agura e be say no.
To ne ba fa ma team wo krom a. E dey na si here. What training players are more no me so no ko ball no asanse ye ntia sika mo obi no me di ball mai ene sa dia ball ma jaye ma film Anthony Eboa me chama ya correct me so won Nani FC ne hon something saying it's being owned by one of the people that is a Ghana football no omo bobo ni yie ni football club ne ko saying ko ja samo boy wa betin academy oyane de kakra won chen at the moment ado ho be boy FA no untimi nya sa ne manema no right to dream ombo league bi ogrom a ba o players are currently in kwalanklom ni mbo pa benya won na nsia na 24 coach ngon mo bo no
ai
edebentia
Desmond Ofe.
These are the things I can want them. Do the hot one as a football yeah me I had my own share because them koka say me the press with Kumasi no be anko I had my own share man for can imagine the tell me pa but me still am stand by it because these people they don't respect us in some trouble omumu yen because some me training grounds for Africa so Nigeria for no bad they want people to get closer but Ghana for no call ye pamo because of some instruction
they say Ali Kra or your club airby how treating in central
what in central for ba by the nantesa how come say ye media friendly no my you no more content in bi o e kakra ma ye general secretary ka say ye be fine o so ye no mani wa bia ti Nigeria for no ye bi e wo mu hotel ma ye fine wo mu e no mo san ko ye bi wo mu Tony Ghana so mo say ye san fine wo mu biem Cameroon for ye the same thing even DR Congo e bi nto mo ye be fine wo mu da bia Ghana ye ni mumra ye so ne ye ho kire ye wo football nim e man 2016 bi si ye na yam ne wo kasa yi e bi yes na ye ye nsua hwe
da bi
ye nsua hwe yo
the omo football pen omo mpe and I said that because me ntiase I don't get it sika with the momo less than $200,000
Janam ni ho enu ntina give to ware madam give to ware me ntime ne nya adwen da so wo ka se national team no o buy a bad there is a dikan patriotism when someone goes to World Cup for not less than 2 weeks about $100,000 or no panina o mobo ni bi no e tenchen no or no so sacrifice am o man no $100,000 player no ojina park no so bobo dey nkunim dia maye no o see patriotism are you being serious there's not a single soul e krom we patriotic not a single soul no Ghana o say patriotic when wo man no wadwen ba kro edimi
oh na say o kasa de o man panyini e wo ho na nkrofo
aya disankomo no wa kiro but me my believe there's not a single soul patriotic krom a to mo see gas wo man
patriotic onye bi
omusike so omo fa mo no mo fa mo nya mo nyoma now Zambia for ne ba no mo ni bo ne bo chen yen omo prepare better chen yen then I will expect
omo look sound
yes they are okay sound minded omo bo no there's no pressure on them now emai ye dis kind of mo kra na ye so omo fidie because ma bobo na e be ka say mo bobo ne kra na mo gas am no mutim boko ma ni me na mo be gas am no man ti ma mo these are the things am for be kan e da fa man ho but we ya adwuma o ma ya especially this kind of show mo nyi sika no na mo fa nya mo nyoma e be bo mo se half of supporters no enim the Togo afeda ya ref no parado on blame no ho because on the head of the communication team ma Accra House of Folk and everything about the club is a Barbontin and Senpai what club no say Barbontino he needs to be the one send it out there how many times na be ubenya na din komo how many times na be ko House of Folk website House of Folk and so Twitter handle ho a ubehu nyoma ekoso and supporters no omu hia nchiremu a convincing nchiremu a madwe enso atimi atoho. Some people believe say those days house of folk na sika ne mumpo no we are doing better, but this time so we sika ba be ne ade engo yie. What title so mo ka say team bia obi de sika be shemu na yie. Chelsea yehudi Abramovich buy Chelsea be ye, Manchester City yehudi aye, Newcastle kram yehudi ye, teams ahodo bebre na ye discover me kuyi ba hard of folk wanna say ye discover ball mo team no man ko yie. You believe that infrastructure mo ye adwuma players kwa ye nka say nti o mo ka ni na mo ye adwuma nti dan na mo supporters enso edi ho nkomo. Sell the good things to the supporters. You are the PR. No, my papa no. Famomo no who the we are no. If you are not doing that, definitely supporters no man tias no man tias ya chaos and everybody.
But I say no Ricardo Varas na ten kan no Brenna son say ade dwumade ni si. Wote atapokun ka Michael Asarebodu ten kan Midin Diluta King Sasuna Jeffrey Asare the Apostle eboy Chidom Nas eboy Shadrack ono so eboa me ade dwumade no ebro adomdom na se yete enkwam you actually won't come over, baby. You don't be asking the money in a sea crown.